Sometimes you are working away and you just want a single commit on a branch. You don't want every commit on a branch. And if that is the situation you find yourself in, then git cherry pick is the git command for you. What we're going to do is we're going to look at our git tree, our git history. We've seen this before, the git log one line minus minus graph. By default, that will only show you the current branch you're on and all of the ancestor commits for that particular branch. If we want to see multiple branches, then we can just name the branches that we want. So this is going to show us the graph of not only the branch we're on, which is main, but also the refactor branch as well. So we're working on main, and this is our most recent commit, 5935. And we have a whole series of commits down here, which are all on the refactor branch. So there is a common ancestor for both of these, which is this commit here, 3611df7. So let's just assume, for the sake of argument, on our main branch, we just want one of these commits. Let's go and pick the refactor results parser registry commit, which is 53A3078. So I'll make a copy of that. I'll just check where I expect to be. We're on the main branch, and we are going to use the cherry pick command, and then we can give it a short char, a long char, and what that will do is we'll take all the changes in this particular commit and add it to the branch that we're on at the moment. So what I'll actually do, first of all, I'll just do a git show so we can see what that commit is, and this is on the refactor branch. What I'm going to do is git cherry pick and that commit. So just to see what's happened there, we'll do git log minus n1 minus p, and we can see that we have a commit which is the same as the one that was on the branch. And if we go back and look at our git tree, what we've got here is this is the commit previously that was our most recent commit, and we have this new commit here, 9f38dcd, and that has all the changes that were in this commit down here. So we haven't altered anything on the refactor branch. We've just created a new commit on the main branch, which has all of the changes that was in here.